and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So there are some few ways you can do so without knowing their name. So to do this, simply open your Instagram app and go to your search bar and tap on your search bar. So once you're in the search, to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name, you can try using hashtags, locations, or through other platforms. So if you know someone uses specific hashtag in your post, you can search for those hashtags and putting feed or explore, something like that. So in the hashtag section, you can find people or the specific person that you are trying to search for. So similarly, you can also type in the location. If you know where the person lives or has been traveling, you can search for their locations on Instagram. So here I'm searching for it in the location section or the tags, and here. So once you do this and go to the places section, you can find people living out here or someone who has tagged their post in this particular location. So you can find your specific person using locations as well. So these are the ways you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.